Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2019, Question 46. In a complete dominance monohybrid cross between a pure breeding yellow flower plant, Y, that's capital Y, and pure breeding white flower plant, small y, the result of the first filial generation is, now, complete dominance monohybrid cross. Now it's a monohybrid cross because each of each of these each of each of the alleles, that's Y and Y, are what, are homozygous. That's why it's a dominant monohybrid. And homozygous in the sense that they are carrying the same allele. Now that's why they say a pure breeding yellow. A pure breeding yellow, we have Y. Then a pure breeding white flowered, we have what, Y, because it is pure. Now A, it says 50% yellow flower. B says 75% yellow flower. C, all yellow flower. And D, all white flower. Now the only way to know is to draw a cross diagram for this particular, where you have Y, capital Y, you have Y. Now this one is representing the what, pure breeding yellow. This is representing yellow and this is representing white. So if you draw your diagram, you have something like this. This is Y. This is what, Y. You have Y, and then you have Y. Now if you notice, each of these this is the first filial generation. Now in this first filial generation, each organism has the allele Y, and this is the genetic makeup of each organism in the first filial generation. And Y will give you what, a yellow flower. It will give you a yellow flower because what, the capital letter Y is dominant. Y is dominant, and Y represents yellow flower. Now anytime you have two alleles joined together, that's genetic makeup from two different organisms joined together, the dominant trait will always show itself, while the recessive trait will not show itself. It will be hidden, but it might show itself in another generation. Now this one, that's why they say a complete dominance monohybrid breed cross. Now this one is dominant, the yellow is dominant compared to the Y. The Y is recessive, that's why you can have small letter y, and that's why they indicated the other one in capital Y. So since the white is dominant, the yellow is dominant to the white, the answer now will be what, all yellow plants, because all of them are carrying Y, big Y, small y. The big Y will always show itself in each generation, and I told you that the big Y indicates the yellow plant. So the answer is all yellow flower, C. Now C is the answer to this particular question, all yellow flower, C. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.